Okay. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So you all know that Injective integrated their Web3 finance data into Google Cloud BigQuery, and it was a very big thing for a blockchain. And you also a lot of supportive tweets. Like I have saw the Twitter around like 24 October, and it was very trending that Google Cloud has integrated with Injective, and it is a very big thing. But for some beginner users who are just coming on Injective and want to know that what's inside and why it is so unique and big, right? So for them I am making this video, and I'll try to show you some things like I have created this basic mind map which will show that Injective and Google Cloud BigQuery a major leap in blockchain, like it is a big thing. So first we have introduction to Injective Nexus, official blockchain and data integration on Google Cloud, accessible codes and data in BigQuery. So it's called Injective Nexus, and it has injective data codes and data, like you can see this article. Starting now, codes and data from Injective Network will be accessible in BigQuery through the Analytic Hub, Google Cloud exclusive data sharing platform. So we call that Injective Nexus. Significance of the Google Cloud integration, that it now Injective is joining elite blockchain network like Bitcoin and Ethereum into this era, and enhance visibility and accessibility for injective data, because it is now more accessible and visible, because Google Cloud BigQuery has a lot of features to give their users, and now the users are injective developers, because you know because injective integrated with Google Cloud, so that anyone who will try to see injective codes and data with Injective Nexus through Google Cloud, it will have a lot of features given by Google Cloud. So benefit for developers and enterprises, custom data sets for DeFi application, which we call DApps, real-time financial and transaction data analysis, AI and machine learning opportunity. And that is a big thing. Like this whatever you are saying right now here, benefit for developer and enterprises, you maybe not understand it very deeply, but this is a big thing for developers, and developers are a key point for making a blockchain into a massive adoptive, like developers do things which makes DeFi better, like Injective Labs team always try to build something which solve problems for normal users in DeFi. That's why we Injective is trying to solve problems for developers, so that developers can solve our problem. That is a good thing. Okay, use cases empowered by Injective Nexus, building advanced Web3 finance application, leveraging data for institutional trading strategies, enriching smart contracts with on-chain data. Impact of the Injective ecosystem, now that is a big thing. Now we are talking expanding expanding footprint into traditional finance, not in blockchain finance or Web3 finance, traditional finance like normal finance. We are expanding it, like expanding it into traditional finance. We love it. That's why it's called blockchain for finance. Facilitating mainstream adoption of Web3, like adoption of Web3 is growing, and Injective is doing a lot of good things, like integrated with Google Cloud, driving innovation in financial sector. I know you all love it. I know you all love it. Future prospect, it is just I added some basic things. It's not big. So this is all. I hope you all like it. Many of you are warriors, so you can get some ideas of creating your content through this. I hope you like it. Okay, bye.